Cut 4 rectangles of plastic mesh. Hot glue them long ways up. Do it for both sides. Now hot glue the other ones inside the head. Use brad pins to join the hinges. Cut 2 popsicle sticks in half. Hot glue the halves together and wrap duct tape around them. Cut slits on the bottom of both ears. And hot glue the popsicle sticks inside. Use an X-Acto knife to make slits on the head for where the ears will go inside. Now hot glue the ears into the head. This is what the jaw movement looks like. Paint the inside of clear ornaments white. And print out a picture of his pupils and irises. Cut out the size that fits best. Dip a Q-tip in acetone or nail polish to remove the paint from the inside of the eye, where the pupil will go. Hot glue them on the inside of the eyes. Fold over and hot glue some fabric. Add some black paint to make it look darker. Hot glue it to the eye and trim the extra fabric off. Set the eyes inside the head. Make a stencil for the eyebrows. Trace and cut 2 of them and hot glue it onto the head. Cut and trim some foam into the nose shape and hot glue black felt or leather if you have it onto the foam. Trim the extra off. Hot glue it onto the muzzle. Cut this shape on leather or felt for the eye patch. Cut the extra material for the straps. And hot glue them on. Hot glue only the top part of the eye patch. Hot glue the longer strap on. Only hot gluing the top allows it to flip up. Roll some oven baked clay into teeth. Bake for 275 degrees for 15 minutes. Paint them white and gold and glue them on.